Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video we are going to be doing some technical analysis on the Bitcoin chart because as you guys noticed, there was a rally yesterday and Bitcoin did manage to break above $10,600. Not only did we break above $10,600 though, we also managed to break the 20 daily exponential moving average, which we have currently unfortunately broken below. Guys, we're going to be working in the new set today, as you can see, so forgive me if this video is a little bit wonky. We have quite a bit more gear to work with nowadays, as you can see by this camera angle over here. Guys, not only are we going to be diving into some technical analysis today, we're also going to be looking at some fundamentals over on Glassnode and a few very nice news articles that I wanted to touch on in this video. So guys, let's not waste any more time. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Ooh, this first video is going to be rough, guys. I'm telling you. We're going to get there. We're going to get there for this first video. I'm not used to having the two cameras. 2, 1, 2, 1. I'm just making her do edits that she doesn't want to do. Guys, as you can see, a few days ago, Bitcoin rallied up and tested $11,100, and we inevitably broke bearish below that. But luckily, Bitcoin managed to pull back into this zone of support and bounce at exactly the same zone that we had before. Last night, we rallied pretty quickly from $10,200 all the way to $10,800, trying to break the 20 EMA, but we failed. But guys, notice ever since we rejected from there, we didn't pull back anywhere near as much as we rallied yesterday. We've pulled back to $10,500 and bounced right there. That's big news. But guys, I do want you to keep in mind that volume is still low and RSI is still trending to the downside. One thing that is pretty interesting about this movement, though, is it reversed the MACD cross that we were so certain of yesterday. As you can see, MACD was about to cross and decided, no, I don't think I will. I don't think I will cross. I think I'm good. Awesome. As we can see, fear and greed is sitting at 46, which means that we are trending to the upside, away from fear, back towards greed, which is definitely a good thing for Bitcoin, indicating a potential new uptrend coming relatively soon. And as we can see over on CoinMarketCap, it's not just Bitcoin doing well. Many of the altcoins are doing pretty well as well. A lot of them are up double digits. The main takeaway I want to give you in this video is that, yeah, Bitcoin's looking relatively bullish. I mean, we did rally $500 yesterday, but I wouldn't get your hopes up too high. Bitcoin has more or less been trading sideways for the last 3 weeks, and until we see a significant break below $10,000 or above $11,000, we're still in a sideways trading range. And until Bitcoin actually changes that, we don't have a reason to believe that Bitcoin is going to actually make any big moves. So while I am excited about Bitcoin's growth, I also want to make sure that we're tempering our expectations and not getting ahead of ourselves when we think that Bitcoin is about to go into a massive rally, because quite frankly, we don't know that yet. Anyway, guys, moving on, we're going to talk about a news story having to do with something called realized market capitalization on Bitcoin and how we have already seen this number rally far higher than we saw it rally at the heights of the 2017 bull market. Good sign. Let's dive into it. Bitcoin's realized cap, its market capitalization, is now $43 billion above the 2017 all-time high. The realized capitalization metric measures the value of each Bitcoin when it was last moved on-chain, which enables analysts to estimate the aggregated cost basis of market participants. In non-200 IQ speak, we're looking at what Bitcoin was worth when people bought it and using that number to calculate a market capitalization. And that market capitalization number is far higher now than it was at the end of 2017 when Bitcoin hit all-time high, twice as high as it is now. As you can see, Coinmetrics chart shows that realized capitalization continued to grow higher in the early months of 2018, pushing to test $90 billion 3 times between January and May, despite prices having crashed back below $10,000. According to the crypto data researchers into the block, more than 72% of the crypto addresses are currently profitable, with the largest sum of investment having been made in the $1,040 to $5,285 range and the $84.50 to the $95.60 price range. If you think about it, if the majority of people are profitable and they see that Bitcoin is doing well and the fundamentals are growing, what's their incentive to leave the market? Hopefully none. Guys, at the end of the day, the point I want to make in this video is this. Bitcoin is quite bullish right now. The fundamentals are very strong, and we really have a good reason to believe that the future for Bitcoin will be bright. The question is not really, is Bitcoin about to have a big rally? The question is more of, how long are we willing to wait through the boring phases in Bitcoin bull markets? You guys got to remember that for 8 months, Bitcoin traded sideways back at the beginning of the 2016-17 bull market, and people were having the same complaints back then as they are now. So I want you guys to understand that patience is what makes you profitable. If you're not patient, believe me, you have no chance of actually making it in this space. But if you are patient, the wealth will be transferred to you if you have, patience. Anyway, guys, there is a lot more that I want to talk about in this video, but the main point of this video is for us to get some practice in this new set. This video is basically a prototype of the videos that we will be making here on out in this studio. We're going to be slowly phasing out my old studio in favor of this one and developing it. So if you guys have any ideas about how we can decorate this wall right here, you can see behind me, or this wall right back over there, let us know. We'd actually love to have some fan art. So if you want to make some fan art, submit it to our email, cryptojeb@gmail.com, or send it to me on Twitter, and we very well may put it up on that wall over there to decorate it, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Guys, before we go, though, I do want to make sure that you guys understand how thankful I am for everything that you guys have done for us. I mean, this set that I'm sitting in is incredible. I am so incredibly thankful for all of the advancements we've been able to make, the things that have happened in my life, the things that I've been able to do for other people, and I'm very thankful that we've been able to help you guys in your journey in crypto. I get so many heartwarming emails, and I love reading them. So thank you guys so much. This has been 3 years in the making. Here's to a lot more. I'm so excited. I couldn't tell. I can't explain it to you. It's just how it is. Maybe you guys understand, maybe you don't, but either way. By the way, for the OGs to the YouTube channel, ever since I had Facecam, I got the old headphones back. I'm having to use them in the office because I don't have speakers at my desk yet. Anyway, guys, before I go, I do just humbly, seriously, and I mean really, seriously, want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.